Welcome back to our channel. So this is actually continuation of our previous video, that is TH8 attacking strategies. So in last video we saw the attacks using air troops, and here in this video we are going to see attacks using ground troops, mainly using walls. So this attack is a replay of my war attack. So here I have trained 9 wizards, 3 P.E.K.K.A, 11 walls, and 3 earthquake spell, 1 raid spell, and 1 healing spell, and just 1 remaining archer. And in my CC, a wall canvas along with 1 earthquake spell. So we are just going to attack. So we have to first destroy their CC troops. For that I am just deploying 1 archer near to their clan castle, so that their CC troops will come out. After that I'm just deploying all my wizards around that CC troop so that we can kill them. So then just deploy all your troops in the same side, and using earthquake spell I am just destroying the wall so that they can easily get inside. So as you can see, they are destroying each and everything. Actually this one is simple attack. We are not doing anything else. We are just we have to just take care of their CC troops only. After that we have proper spells. So in each place just deploy proper spells as raid spell or healing spell and all, that you can decide where you want to deploy that spells. So as you can see, we are getting 3 stars. It's simple. So it's done. Again going back to our base. So we are going for our next attack. Actually this is also a replay. So as you can see, these are the troops that I have already used there. Archer, Wall, P.E.K.K.A, and all, you can see that, and also these spells. And in my CC I have Valk, Archer, and 1 free spell. Yeah, so here we are going to see that attack. So this is also almost like that. So here the difference is we are not using earthquake spell for destroying the walls. So from one side we are just applying all our troops, including CC troops. They are getting inside, destroying each of the buildings. So here also apply spells where you think it's useful. So whenever we want more energy, speed, and all, just apply raid spell. Then for healing, use healing spell in appropriate places and wherever you want free spell. So I am also applying all the spells wherever it's required. So they are destroyed. So when comparing this attack with our previous attack, that was little easier because we were attacking just TH8, and here we are attacking TH9, so the defense and all is little harder, so that it's taking more time compared to that. Even it is taking more time, our troops are destroying everything. We'll get 3 star for sure. Let's wait. It's little bit time consuming attack, so let's wait, let them destroy everything. So here as you can see, our troops are almost destroyed, and so here we have to use our remaining archers. So just deploy that archers to just clear the base. So I think you got the use of that archers we kept there. So It is going to end our attack. Our archers are clearing the base along with all the remaining troops. Yeah, it's 99%. Yeah, it's done. Going back again. I think including this video, you got some idea about DH8 attacks both ground and air. So I'm hoping that this video will help you for your attacks and all. So that's it. Thank you for all, and please do subscribe, share and like our videos and our channel. So thanks for your support.